it feels great to announce Under 13 AIFF Youth League qualified for final round. Under 14 Champions GFA League. Under 15 AIFF Youth League qualified for final round. Under 16 GFA League champions. Under 18 qualified for AIFF playoff. I mean, how many teams will have this kind of a record? So first of all, congratulations to all of you for all the hard work that you've displayed. Phenomenal. So we must celebrate. So your father and mother are your coaches. And you have a TD, Anju. So if there's any issue, you should deal it like a family. Because we have dreams. We have dreams not only to be the best in Goa, we have the dreams to be best in India. We want our boys to go abroad to play for international clubs. That should be our dream. When Anju came and joined me, and she said, "Sir, what is your dream and vision?" I said 50% of India's team should comprise of Dempo boys. That is my dream. And these boys should qualify through the competitive system into getting into I-League. So you can also do it. With your passion, your hard work, all you need to do is breathe, eat, sleep football. Because that is your single most important religion. I'm so proud to see the education achievements of the boys. I'm told that one boy in the 10th standard stood second in his school. You can do football and studies together. I've told Anju that when everything gets settled down with all the boys, we should look at women also. Because we can't do a gender bias. Today women are, your TD is a woman. I mean, then where is the gender bias? So we need to start involving the community. Your local community there at Ella. We want to get the boys and girls from there and see our heroes play there. We want to be a factory of players. We want every single ISL and I-League club come to us and say, "Mr. Dempo, we want your players."